Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel Learning with Miss Nanhu. If you are new here or if you haven't already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. The purpose of today's video is to teach you how to add with regrouping using base 10 blocks. Base 10 blocks look like these. These are great to use in whole group instruction, small group, and individual. And you can find any of these types of materials for free online, or you can even buy kits to hand out individually to your scholars. This is what a ones looks like, and 10 of these ones is going to give us a tens, which is also known as a rod, and then 10 of these rods is going to give us a hundreds, which is also known as a flat. Today we are just going to be using tens and ones when we're solving our problem. Before I go in and I show you how to solve a problem, I do want to go over some vocabulary. I love to do vocabulary first before actually jumping into a lesson. It's important to not only enforce mathematical vocabulary to show scholars comprehension, but it's also a way to expand their ability to reason abstractly. So the first thing you want to do is rewrite the problem vertically and then identify the place value of your numbers. So I went ahead and I also created a bigger T-chart, as you can see, and I'm starting with the ones column and placing my ones in that column. Sure that you're working number by number. So after I finish with my ones, I'm now going to go ahead and move over to my tens and place 4 tens in that column. I'm going to move back to the ones column and show the 9 in 29 in my ones column. And I'm going to do the same for my 2 in the tens column. So once I'm finished, I'm going to go ahead and regroup. And remember, 10 ones is going to give me a 10. So I have 7 here and I have 9 here. So I'm going to add to my 7 to create a 10. So I'm just going to get rid of these off the board. And I'm going to replace it now with a 10. Counting up my ones column, I have 6. And counting up my tens column, I have 7. So my answer is 76. Here's an example now without the manipulatives and what scholars will have to draw on their papers. Instead of erasing 10 ones, scholars are just going to cross out 10 ones. I then like to have scholars circle the ones that they crossed out and then draw an arrow over to the tens so they know that they're creating 1 10. Now counting up my ones column that I have left, it's 6. And counting up my tens column, I have 7. So my answer is still the same, 76.